Hey guys, need a hand?
No, my turn.
Guys, same dragon.
Oh no! Whoa!
Question, what's fun about that? So we built these things so stuff wouldn't break. We could get near them and use Ruffnut as a human shield.
Suitable, yeah! Science!
Imagine. Wait, he's serious? Au contrary, my fine fellow. We pacifically asked for calding giant homeless snails.
You can clearly tell who's the attractive silly here.
Man, what is that?
Tuffnut, you're up. Lesson 4, the hideous sippleback. Sly, surprising, but certain noises can confuse it.
Hey, don't push me.
Tell me what I want.
Other noises, however,
No, you won't.
just make it angry.
Come on.
You were
Oh, come on.
listening.
And lay a trap in the woods.
It ruined boy talk.
Who are you? You're not me. There's just no way. I'd never do the kind of things that you've been doing. Oh, spare me. Just stop it. Why are you acting like the part of me that I hate? I wish you would just go away. Why are you so warm? Why do I have to feel your body heat? Is there no escaping you? But how can you? I'm lame just like you are now, aren't I?
Dum
Extremely dangerous, extremely dangerous. Kill on sight, kill on sight, kill on sight. Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself.
I just want you to know that even though you tried to terminate me, revenge is not an idea we promote on my planet.
Oh, well, that's good.
But we're not on my planet, are we?
nobody till this ends.
If I betray you, I betray myself. If I betray him, I betray my country. My country is very dear to me.
Dearer than I?
No. No, not dearer than you.
The reason I hold on.
Remember me?
Where have you been?
Avoiding my dad.
Oh no, what happened now?
Oh, you're gonna love this. I wake up, the sun's shining, terrible terrors are singing on the rooftop. I saunter down to breakfast thinking all is right with the world, and I get...
Son, we need to talk.
Not now, Dad. I got a whole day of goofing off to get started.
Okay, first of all, I don't sound like that. What is this character? And second, what is that thing you're doing with my shoulders? Yeah, a truly flattering impersonation.
Edited by HiccStrid.
You could just take Gobber's advice and tie the knot. That should fix everything. But hey, if you're having doubts about yours truly, I'm pretty sure Snotlout's available. He only has eyes for your mom. So it's like dirty now, huh? Astrid, looks like there might be a
trophy to my mother. And he gave it to me to give to you. Astrid, you're a part of our family. You always have. And I hope you always will be. It's beautiful. It's perfect. It's just, I didn't get you a gift. I don't know what to get. You did. Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in my life. You just being with me.
I hear your lips always, your lips always. I will send out an army to find you in the middle of the darkest night. It's true, I will rescue you.
I've been here 60 years and I'm still not bored. There's absolutely nothing that I can't afford. And I found that almost everything is made of cardboard. And there's absolutely nothing I can't sing with weird chords. And I can run faster with no wind resistance.
Quit trying to steal all my glory! Get the Astrid! It's my glory!
Oh, it's ruining everything!
No sheet, no glory! Well played! That's my future daughter-in-law!
That's 13! Astrid takes the game!
Is that all you've got, you sparky lizard? No offense to you, of course. Dad!
Well, that had to be embarrassing.
Who knew you had such a feminine scream?
If I walk up in the party, motherfuckers better move. If a motherfucker shot me, I'ma put him on the knee.
Hell!
What is it? I'm having Asia fun, dude. Something seems oddly familiar. Salad, are you trying to say deja vu? That's what I said. Hot, hot, unburnt. Where did you go? That slice that worked for you. Don't be so needy.
Sin City was a mavia.
Make your own bodies to stay.
Pepper, legend says it's hay. You know what legend also says? Stop talking!
What'd you do that for?
Refrigerated pie. Time wasted time.
Then they call it like Astrid. Nigga don't hide when the pussy be open. Nigga won't slide on the pussy like Astrid.
I make you horny, baby.
Mama do a good thing. Then you're balding. Put that in a ceiling. Mama do a good thing. I jack good in me. I'm not balding me. You cannot sing. It's a balding me.
No, you're
They're not autistic, Tina.
How many toothpicks on the ground?
Don't play this game again.
Come on, look, how many toothpicks?
No, it just involves me cleaning up toothpicks.
100?
Bob.
No.
100?
It's 3.
There's 3.
Okay, how many now?
Bob. 3.
No.
Ugh, you're the worst kind of autistic.
You can't even count.
All your lies, I wish I couldn't believe you. That boy is a real pussy pleaser.
What's wrong? What is it? Oh, I love
as long as you don't grab it. As long as you don't grab it. As long as you don't grab it. You can look at it as long as you don't grab it. Grab it, grab it. As long as you don't grab it. Wanna tell you, wanna tell you.
Try to hide it, but your friends know. I only caught you in it.
The Nordic nature lover. The skater gets a chance to breathe fresh air.
Be careful, she average, I'm pressure, yeah. She's a runner, she's a track star.
I said, oh, jump scare.
Oh my god! Be careful.
Well, your father brought me. Now, there was a chief. One of the greatest dragons that ever lived.
For once in your life, would you please just listen to me? You throw your money with them. You gotta fake it. You're not my son. Ready to sit.
Joga um pouquinho de buceta pra mim, passa em mim, sarra em mim, joga um pouquinho de buceta pra mim, passa em 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 mim.
Die before we have that dance again.
No need for drastic measures.
For you, my dear.
Oh baby, I am a wreck when I'm without you. I need you here.
He changed his mind. And look where that got him.
And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning to something beautiful. And you know I love you so. You know I love you so.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I will add it to its ways. Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life, I will add it to its ways. May the Valkyries welcome you and lead you through Odin's great battlefield. May they sing your name with love and fury, so that we might hear it rise from the depths of Valhalla, and know that you've taken your rightful place at the table of kings. For a great man has fallen, a warrior, a chieftain, his father, friend.
They say there are 5 stages of grief. Denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Well, I'd like to add one more. Revenge.
showed them all what it means to be a Jorgensen.
He didn't show them anything, Boyle. I did. Look at him. All clamouring for Hiccup's approval.
I think they're just having fun.
Oh, fun! A bit of silly time.
Sharpen up, Boyle.
Swept away, I'm stoned. Let the sky fall.